In today's fast-paced digital landscape, marketing automation has become essential for IT teams looking to streamline their processes and boost efficiency. But with so many options available, choosing the right marketing automation software can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step checklist designed specifically for IT teams. We'll cover everything from understanding your team's unique needs to evaluating features, integration capabilities, and security. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to make an informed decision that aligns with your organization's goals and technical requirements. Before diving into the world of marketing automation tools, it's crucial to clearly define your objectives. What are you hoping to achieve with automation? Are you aiming to improve lead generation, enhance customer engagement, or streamline repetitive tasks? By outlining your goals, your IT team can focus on solutions that directly address your needs, ensuring that the software you choose will deliver measurable results. This foundational step sets the stage for a more targeted and effective selection process. Next, gather input from all stakeholders, especially those who will use or manage the software. IT teams should consider technical requirements, such as compatibility with existing systems, scalability, and user access levels. Marketing teams may focus on usability and campaign management features. By collaborating across departments, you ensure that the chosen solution meets both technical and business needs, minimizing friction during implementation and maximizing adoption. Budgeting is a critical step in the selection process. Determine how much your organization is willing to invest in marketing automation software. Factor in not only the upfront costs, but also ongoing expenses like subscriptions, training, and support. A clear budget helps narrow down your options and prevents overspending. Remember, the most expensive tool isn't always the best fit. Focus on value and return on investment. With your objectives and budget in mind, start researching the marketing automation solutions available on the market. Look for reputable vendors with strong track records and positive user reviews. Pay attention to the features offered, scalability, and how well each solution aligns with your team's requirements. Create a short list of options that seem promising for a deeper evaluation in the next steps. Now, it's time to dive into the core features of each shortlisted solution. Essential features for IT teams often include workflow automation, lead management, analytics, and reporting. Consider whether the software supports multi-channel campaigns, A/B testing, and customizable dashboards. Make sure the platform offers the flexibility and functionality your team needs to execute effective marketing strategies. Integration is key for IT teams. Your marketing automation software should seamlessly connect with your existing tech stack, including CRM systems, email platforms, and analytics tools. Evaluate each solution's integration capabilities and look for pre-built connectors or robust APIs. Smooth integration reduces manual work, ensures data consistency, and enhances overall efficiency. Security is a top concern for IT teams. Assess each software's security features, such as data encryption, user authentication, and access controls. Additionally, ensure the solution complies with relevant regulations like GDPR or CCPA. A secure and compliant platform protects your organization from data breaches and legal risks, giving you peace of mind as you automate your marketing processes. A user-friendly interface is crucial for adoption and productivity. Evaluate the usability of each platform by exploring demos or trial versions. Consider how easy it is to set up campaigns, generate reports, and manage contacts. The more intuitive the software, the faster your team can get up to speed and start seeing results. Reliable vendor support can make or break your experience with marketing automation software. Investigate the level of customer support each vendor provides, including response times, available channels, and self-service resources. Strong support ensures your team can quickly resolve issues and maintain smooth operations. As your organization grows, your marketing automation needs may evolve. Assess each solution's scalability to ensure it can handle increased data volumes, users, and campaign complexity. Scalable software protects your investment and supports long-term growth without frequent migrations or upgrades. Every organization has unique workflows and branding requirements. Look for marketing automation software that offers customization options such as custom fields, templates, and workflow builders. Customization ensures the platform adapts to your processes, not the other way around. Robust reporting and analytics are essential for measuring the success of your marketing efforts. Evaluate each platform's ability to generate detailed reports, track key metrics, and provide actionable insights. Advanced analytics help your team make data-driven decisions and continuously optimize campaigns. The core of any marketing automation tool is its ability to automate repetitive tasks. Review each solution's automation capabilities, such as email scheduling, lead nurturing, and trigger-based workflows. The more advanced the automation, the more time your team can save for strategic initiatives. User management is especially important for IT teams overseeing multiple users and departments. Check if the software allows for role-based access, user permissions, and activity tracking. Effective user management enhances security and ensures the right people have access to the right features. In an increasingly mobile world, it's important that your marketing automation platform is accessible on smartphones and tablets. Test the mobile interface for usability and feature completeness. Mobile access allows your team to monitor campaigns and respond to issues on the go. A smooth onboarding process is vital for successful adoption. Assess the training resources provided by each vendor, such as tutorials, documentation, and webinars. Comprehensive training helps your team quickly master the platform and reduces the learning curve. Technology evolves rapidly, so it's important to choose a vendor that regularly updates their software. Frequent updates ensure your platform stays secure, compatible, and equipped with the latest features. Review the vendor's update history and roadmap to gauge their commitment to innovation. Beyond core integrations, consider the availability of third-party add-ons and plugins. These can extend the functionality of your marketing automation platform, connecting it to tools like social media, webinar platforms, and e-commerce systems. A rich ecosystem of integrations enhances flexibility and future-proofs your investment. Efficient data migration is crucial when adopting new software. Check each platform's data import and export capabilities, including supported formats and ease of use. Smooth data transfer minimizes downtime and ensures continuity in your marketing operations. If your organization operates globally, multi-language support can be a significant advantage. Evaluate whether the software offers localization options for different regions and languages. This feature ensures your marketing campaigns resonate with diverse audiences and comply with local regulations. Not all automation tools are created equal. Assess the depth of workflow automation each platform offers. Can you build complex, multi-step workflows with conditional logic? Advanced automation capabilities empower your team to create sophisticated campaigns that respond dynamically to customer behavior. Effective lead management is at the heart of successful marketing automation. Review each platform's lead scoring, segmentation, and nurturing features. These tools help your team prioritize high-value prospects and deliver personalized experiences that drive conversions. Email remains a cornerstone of digital marketing. Evaluate the email marketing capabilities of each platform, including template design, scheduling, personalization, and deliverability tracking. Powerful email tools ensure your messages reach the right audience at the right time. Social media is a vital channel for modern marketing. Check if the automation software integrates with major social platforms, allowing you to schedule posts, monitor engagement, and analyze performance from a single dashboard. Integrated social tools streamline your team's workflow and improve campaign reach. Landing pages play a crucial role in lead generation. Evaluate the landing page builder features of each platform, such as drag and drop editors, A/B testing, and mobile responsiveness. Easy-to-use builders help your team quickly create high-converting pages without relying on developers. Seamless CRM integration is essential for aligning marketing and sales efforts. Confirm that your shortlisted platforms can connect with your existing CRM system, enabling smooth data flow and unified customer profiles. Strong CRM integration enhances collaboration and improves lead management. For IT teams, robust API and developer tools are a must. Assess the quality of documentation, available SDKs, and community support. Strong developer resources enable your team to build custom integrations and extend the platform's functionality as needed. Data security goes beyond technical features. Review each vendor's data security policies, including data storage locations, backup procedures, and incident response plans. Transparent policies demonstrate a vendor's commitment to protecting your organization's sensitive information. Certifications like ISO 27001 or SOC 2 provide assurance that a vendor meets industry standards for security and compliance. Verify which certifications each platform holds and ensure they align with your organization's regulatory requirements. Unexpected events can disrupt your operations. Assess each vendor's disaster recovery and business continuity plans. Reliable backup and recovery processes ensure your data and campaigns remain safe and accessible, even in the face of outages or cyber attacks. Performance and reliability are non-negotiable for mission-critical software. Test each platform's speed, uptime guarantees, and response times under load. Reliable performance ensures your marketing campaigns run smoothly without unexpected interruptions. Pricing models can vary widely between vendors. Compare subscription tiers, usage limits, and additional fees for features or users. Transparent and predictable pricing helps your IT team avoid surprises and plan for future growth. Hands-on experience is invaluable. Request demos or free trials from your shortlisted vendors. Use this opportunity to test real-world scenarios, evaluate ease of use, and gather feedback from your team. Demos help you make confident, evidence-based decisions. References and case studies provide insights into how other IT teams have successfully implemented the software. Ask vendors for customer references and review case studies relevant to your industry. Learning from others' experiences can highlight potential challenges and best practices. After gathering all necessary information, create a scoring matrix to objectively compare your shortlisted solutions. Rate each platform based on your predefined criteria, such as features, integration, security, and cost. This structured approach helps your team make a balanced, data-driven decision. Before making a final decision, discuss your findings with all relevant stakeholders, present your analysis, address any concerns, and ensure alignment across IT, marketing, and leadership teams. Collaborative decision-making increases buy-in and sets the stage for successful implementation. Once you've selected a preferred vendor, negotiate the terms and contracts. Pay attention to service level agreements, data ownership, and exit clauses. Clear and fair contracts protect your organization and set expectations for both parties. A well-structured implementation plan is key to a smooth rollout. Define your timeline, assign responsibilities, and set milestones for each phase. Proper planning minimizes disruptions and ensures your team is prepared for a successful launch. Data migration is often one of the most challenging aspects of adopting new software. Prepare your data by cleaning, mapping, and validating it before migration. Work closely with your vendor to ensure a smooth and accurate transfer, minimizing the risk of data loss or corruption. Comprehensive training ensures your team can fully leverage the new platform. Organize training sessions, provide access to resources, and encourage hands-on practice. Well-trained users are more confident and productive, leading to faster adoption and better results. After launch, closely monitor the platform's performance and user feedback. Track key metrics, identify any issues, and make adjustments as needed. Early monitoring helps you quickly resolve problems and optimize your setup for long-term success. Continuous improvement is essential for maximizing the value of your marketing automation software. Regularly review your processes, gather feedback, and implement enhancements. Iterative optimization ensures your platform evolves with your organization's needs and delivers sustained results. To justify your investment, measure the return on investment, ROI, and overall success of your marketing automation platform. Track improvements in efficiency, lead generation, and revenue. Use these insights to demonstrate value to stakeholders and guide future technology decisions. Choosing the right marketing automation software for your IT team is a multi-step process that requires careful planning and collaboration. By following this comprehensive checklist, you can confidently select a solution that meets your technical, business, and security needs. Remember, the right platform will empower your team to work smarter, drive better results, and support your organization's growth for years to come.